Hello, Fisk families. I hope this video message finds you well. Just a reminder, the first day of remote learning will be Tuesday, September 8th, so please charge your iPads and Chromebooks and make sure they work properly. If your device is damaged and needs repair, please go to the tents at the North Central Office parking lot across from F.L. Schlegel High School, Monday through Friday from 9 to 4. If you are leaving the district, please contact us in order to return your device. Secondly, deployment of student supplies, including iPads for kindergarten, for John Fisk will be Friday, August 28th, 10 to 6, and Monday, August 31st, from 10 to 6. Third, Family Advocacy Week is approaching. It will begin Monday, August 31st, and end Friday, September 4th. Please be prepared to meet your classroom teacher via a phone call or a Zoom conference. During Family Advocacy Week, we will have virtual open houses for each grade. On Monday night, we will have open houses for kindergarten and first grade. On Tuesday night, for second and third grade, while on Wednesday night, for fourth and fifth grade. On each night, the lower grade will meet at 6:15, and then the higher grade will meet at 7. Fourth, please remember to complete the meal applications in order to be eligible for free reduced lunches, since John Fisk will no longer be able to provide free lunches to all students. To order curbside pickup lunches, please call ahead at 913-279-2191. Fifth, if you have a kindergarten student who plans to attend John Fisk, please ensure he or she is enrolled. If you are already enrolled, please see the text regarding the completion of the mandatory ASQ test. Finally, until next week, please stay safe and well. If you have any comments, concerns, questions, or need to update contact information, please call our main office at 913-627-4850. Don't forget to like us and follow us on Facebook at John Fisk, Home of the Lions, in order to get important updates about school and community relations.